Good morning, students. Today's topic is endangered and endemic species of India. इससे पहले टॉपिक में हमने पढ़ा था what are the threats which are there for our biodiversity और यहाँ पे हम endangered और endemic species के बारे में पढ़ेंगे इस लेक्चर में. ओके. So the forest administration in India is more than 100 years old. Efforts to identify plant species as a part of wildlife and to recognize the importance for providing special protection to the endangered plant species have so far been negligible. The extinction of certain attractive animals stimulated efforts to protect the fauna, but no special need was given to the flora. The word wildlife had till recently been considered synonymous to the animal life, not the plant life. Okay, and consequently conservation and naturalists have their attention only to conservation of the animal species, not the plant species. It was only in the year 1968 at an international conference, UNESCO 1968, that the problem of conservation of flora and fauna was appreciated. And several recommendations were made urging the International Biological Program or the IBP, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, and various international and national organizations to initiate the studies into the problem involved, particularly the problem of protecting and preserving the wild fauna and flora. Wild fauna pertains to the protection of the wild plants and trees, whereas wild flora means that we are talking about the wild trees and plants, the plantation, the vegetation, and wild fauna means we are talking about the animal life. Okay, and the problem of protecting these wild flora and fauna in their natural habitats or ecosystems, establishing the natural reserves. Later at 10th General Meeting of the IUCN, that is the International Union for Conservation of Nature, the Survival Service Commission reviewed the status of endangered species of plants and their habitats also. The recent promulgation of United States Endangered Species Act 1973, the UK Wild Creatures and Wild Plant Act 1975, development of International Convention on Conservation, Wetland Convention, and the setting up of Biological Records Center of the Nature, Conservancy, UK, and threatened plants, orchids, psychiatries, a wide awakening of the need for the conservations, preservation, and protection of floras of the world. According to the volume 5 of Red Data book on angiosperms, started by the Survival Service Commission of IUCN in the year 1970, Melville 1970, it is estimated that out of the total of the 3 lakes, 0.3 million species of plants in the world, over 20,000 were in the category of either endangered or vulnerable and threatened with the extinction by the year 2000 AD. The following categories of rare species have been recognized by the IUCN, mainly based on their present distribution, decline in number of times, abundance and quality of natural habitats, and biological and potential value of the species. So यहाँ पर कुछ terms हैं like EVRTO and I. Okay, so yeah, these are certain terms which are used for different categories of species in terms of their survival level. So first is endangered or E species. So endangered species are those species which are in the danger of extinction, which are about to be extincted, and whose survival is unlikely if the causal factors continue operating. Included are species whose number have been reduced to a critical level or whose habitats have been so drastically reduced that they are deemed to be in immediate danger of extinction. And second is the vulnerable category of species. Okay, so vulnerable species believed likely to move into the endangered category in the near future if the casual factors continue operating. तो ये वो कैटेगरी है जो कि endangered में आ सकती है अगर जिन फैक्टर्स की वजह से वो vulnerable है वो कंटिन्यू होते रहे तो. और तीसरा है रेयर स्पीसीज. रेयर स्पीसीज जो है बहुत ही कम है वर्ल्ड में, देयर नंबर इज वेरी स्मॉल एंड दे आर नॉट एट प्रेजेंट इन एंडेंजर्ड और वल्नरेबल बट आर एट रिस्क. These species are usually localized with the restricted geographical areas or habitats or thinly scattered over a more extensive range. Then the threatened one. Threatened is used in the conservation context for species which are in one of the categorization of the endangered. तो थ्रेटेंड स्पीसीज जो है वो स्पीसीज हैं जो कि एंडेंजर्ड, वल्नरेबल और रेयर की को कैटेगराइज कर रही है. सम स्पीसीज आर मार्क्ड एज थ्रेटेंड वेयर इट इज नोन that they are endangered, vulnerable or rare, but they are known as endangered, vulnerable or rare. These are not enough. We don't have much information about them कि इनको एक्चुअली किस कैटेगरी में रखा जाएगा, एंडेंजर्ड में, वल्नरेबल में या रेयर में. तो उनको थ्रेटेंड कैटेगरी में रख देते हैं. आउट ऑफ डेंजर स्पीसीज आर दो जो कि जिनका की नंबर एक अच्छा सस्टेनेबल फिगर है, और दोज हु आर नॉट इन अ डेंजर्ड लिस्ट, सो दे आर इन अबंडेंस. ओके, फिर एक कैटेगरी आती है इनडिटर्मिनेंट स्पीसीज की, आई की. तो इनडिटर्मिनेंट स्पीसीज वो है जो कि अभी तक जिनके बारे में कोई बहुत ज्यादा सफिशिएंट इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल नहीं है. एंडेमिक स्पीसीज इन इंडिया. इंडिया हैज अ very rich element of endemic in its flora. According to Chatterjee, Indian subcontinent has about 61.5% of endemic flora with about 7,000 endemic species and 134 endemic genera. Of these, the Himalayas and the Khasi Hills account for about 3,000 and Deccan Peninsula about 2000 एंडेमिक स्पीसीज. मतलब ये वो एरियाज हैं जहाँ पर ये पर्टिकुलर स्पीसीज पाई जाती हैं, उन्हीं जगहों पे पाई जाती है, इसके अलावा पर नहीं है. तो ये बेसिकली इनका जो प्रिजर्वेशन है दैट इज इन द बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स. ओके, जैसे सफायरा हिमालय है, उवेरिया इन रोड, अल्सिमेंड्रा, कैथकैटी, मैग्नोलिया, Gustavi. So all these are the biological name of all these species, and these are endemic plant species of Himalaya and Khasi Hills. ऐसे नीलगिरी हिल्स जो है साउथ इंडिया में, वेस्टर्न घाट में, वहाँ पे एंडेमिक स्पीसीज, यहाँ पे की हॉटस्पॉट्स हैं. मैंने आपको हॉटस्पॉट के बारे में पढ़ाया है प्रीवियस लेक्चर में. सो एंडेंजर्ड फ्लोरा और फौना जो है, इसके basic reasons are destruction of their natural habitats, as we have earlier discussed in the previous lecture. Overgrazing by domestic animals, poaching for meat, skin, fur, ivory, rhinoceros horns, etc. Export of some species. The Botanical Survey of India (BSI) could so far complete the survey of plant resource in about 3/5 of the country. As per the target set, BSI should have complete the survey of remaining 2/5 of the country by 1998. It is planned to publish the national flora of the country in 24 volumes by 2080. Botanical Survey of India जो है ये इसके लिए काम करता है, इसके लिए डेटा कलेक्ट करता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द रेड डेटा बुक ऑफ IUCN, more than 1,000 creatures are threatened with extinction, some very soon, some within a decade or so. Among these facing more immediate danger are all species of rhinoceros, particularly the Indian variety of the Royal Bengal and Siberian tiger, the Mexican grizzly bear, the red wolf, the mountain gorilla, the Arabian oryx, and the Asiatic loin. All these are the endangered species which have their name in the red data book of IUCN. So that's it about today's lecture, students.